Hey guys, this is Victoria Joy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Joy Unlimited, where I be sharing the things that make me happy. And if you are new here, my name is Joy, and I love playing a lot of amazing stuff. It's just really nice, and it's fun. It's just great stuff. So yeah. And guys, without further ado, I want you guys to do something for me. I actually want you guys to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content about gaming. And I love gaming. So if you want to see more content about gaming, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified on when I post. Without further ado, let's jump right in. And we're playing Don't Touch the Button. And getting all this coins. Tight squeeze. Uh-oh. I'm squeezing. No, don't hit me, no. No, I died. Is there more coming? Scary elevator. Let's go inside. Okay, what's in here? I'm just getting coins. Don't know what's in here. I'm staying in here. Whoa. Wow. So, okay. He watches everything. Shift 5. What? I don't get this. Whoa. This is crazy. Uh-oh. Let's run away. Run away. He can't get us. No. Color mayhem. What's... I'm just choosing this yellow color because I'm the closest to it. The red color was removed. I'm gonna choose red. No, what? Oh man. Oh, we're in this like box. Okay. Oh, here's my friend. Hi. Whoa. Okay. It's raining bombs. Oh no. Oh. What do I do? Guys? Guys, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to see more gaming videos like this. Okay. It's raining bombs again. Oh no, I want to get the coins. Uh-oh. Get that coin. Get this coin. Oh, ooh, so much of these. Just getting the coins. Getting these coins. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Tight squeeze. Oh no, we gotta squeeze through the walls. Oh man, not again. Okay. We're gonna do this. Yay, we did not die. Run. Yeah, we did it! Yay! Oh. No, we died. Oh man, we're in this little box. Whoa, everyone's appearing. Okay. Wow. Oh, gotta watch out for him. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Can't. Okay, if we stay in the truck, I think we'll be safe. I think. Okay. Oh, yeah, you did it. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna. No! No. I do not know. Are you enjoying this episode, guys? Are you enjoying this content? If you are, thank you so much. Who lives on the pineapple? Don't know. What? Is this SpongeBob? Is SpongeBob supposed to hurt us? Spongy, don't do that. Don't do it. That's mean. Spongy. Whoa, gotta get my coins. Ah. Okay. Uh-oh, Spongy's coming. Whoa. Whoa. What's up with him? Okay. Oh, get on the mobile. No! Stop killing people, Spongy. Don't do it. Ah, he's like going crazy. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. No. Got me. No. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and bye.